After guys and girls, good evening to every one of you. I just arrived here in Angono. While waiting for the jeepney to come, I just want to approach a man standing right there at the corner. I think he looks so hungry and he looks so tired and he needs a little bit help. Guys, let's check if he's still there. I feel sad for the guys and girls. He doesn't have a sleeper, and I think he's a beggar. How I wish he's still there. He's still there, guys. Hold on. There he is. Kuya, gusto niyo pong kumain? Gusto mo pong kumain? Kain mo. Bibigyan ka. Kain ka muna. There he is, guys. Huwag po kayo matakot. Guys, I don't think that he is capable of saying something on the camera. Hold on. Ano gusto mo kainin? Ano gusto mo kainin? So there he is. So pili ka kuya ng kakainin mo dyan. Ate, bigyan mo siya ng makakain. Pili ka po, anong gusto mong kainin? Ha?
Mighty puti na lang po, bilhin nyo na lang po.
Nang?
Mighty puti po, bilhin nyo na lang po.
Nang ano po?
Mighty puti.
Nang ano po?
Mighty puti.
Ano yun? Ay, wag po sigarilyo kuya. Pagkain ng ano, ito gusto mo ba nitong pagkain?
Magkano po ate mighty puti?
Bibigyan nila kita ng pagkain. Wag ano, sigarilyo. Masama yan sa kalusugan mo. Pag ito, bigyan na lang kita ng pagkain. Magkano to? Ano? Oh, baunin mo na lang to, ha? Baunin mo na lang to.
Bibigyan ka ng egg. Hindi ang
Hindi ko babayaran yan, ate, ha? Sorry.
ayaw na. Yan daw.
Magkano po ito?
Egg.
Guys, hold on. I think he wants cigarette, but I refuse to give him cigarettes. That's why I'm offering egg. Oh, gusto mo nito? Log? Ano gusto mong pagkain dito, ha? Ito tinapay. Gusto mo nito? Kuya! Guys, he left me. Oh, so sad. As much as I would like to help those in needs, but sorry to say,